Hi there. In this guide, we will go over the bulk create option in the product list module. First, we need to access the product module. To do so, please take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Expand the inventory menu option by clicking on it. Click on the product list menu item. To bulk create new products, click the round action button on the left side of your screen. Click the bulk create option. We are now presented with the Prepare Create Products dialog. First, we will need to select the vendor which we will create items for. You can either choose one of the existing ones or create a new one. In this demo, we will choose the existing vendor. You can then have the system auto-create SKUs for you using the template, or you can leave this process to yourself. Then input the number of items you'd like to create in the last field. In this video, we will create 2 different items. Once you're ready, click OK. The following allows you to input the mandatory fields for each new item such as image, SKU, name, cost, etc. Note that SKUs will be automatically assigned if you check the box during the previous step. Note that in case you would like to add more details to the created items, you can press the Edit button on the right to choose any of the custom views created. These will allow you to edit additional fields. Once you're ready, press the Create Items button to save the new products. That's it for bulk creation tool that will help you in creating more items with fewer clicks. Thanks for watching.